must have started his career as an office boy in Mumbai. But today, Manoj Kumar Warrior is a world leader in his field. After fighting against all odds, Manoj finally managed to make a comfortable living for himself and his family. उनके पास अब सब कुछ था. A great job in hand, rock solid life partner, angel like daughter, friends who became family, and a well settled life in Gulf. But to settle for what is available is not our secret superstar ka style. His dreams were big, but his desire to see them come true was even bigger. And I know this because today, Manoj Kumar Warrior is the CEO of Omnitrans Solutions, an international school supplies firm based out of New Jersey, USA, and has branches in Philippines, India, and UK. ये सब कैसे हुआ जानने के लिए लेट्स हॉप ऑन टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी जिसका नाम है नुक्कड़ टू न्यू जर्सी, एक सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार की म्यूजिकल जर्नी. और हाँ, अगला स्टॉप परदेश. हेलो, मैं हूं रोशन शेट्टी और मुंबई में रेडियो की दुनिया में मुझे आरजे रोशन के नाम से जाना जाता है. आज का एपिसोड विल टेक यू टू अ प्लेस दैट आवर सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार कॉल्स होम. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट मी वेलकम द स्टार ऑफ द शो, मनोज कुमार वॉरियर. कैसे हो आप?
Hi Roshan, how are you?
Oh my God, एक्सेंट आ गया. मतलब न्यू जर्सी का शो, परदेश का शो चालू हो चुका है. How are you feeling, brother?
Yeah, great, my friend, great. It's nice to see you again.
The pleasure is all mine, my dear friend. Oh my God, it's been quite a journey, Manoj Kumar Warrior. From where we started, Worli, to now, we have reached our 6th episode, that is Pardes. Steve Jobs, founder of Apple, once said that if you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. So after 15 years in Saudi Arabia, why did you shift to USA?
So what happened was in Saudi, the weather is not that good.
Yes.
Sandstorms. We were staying in an apartment where there was full of carpet and there was always dust there. And Vaishnavi used to get sick like every week.
Okay.
And she had to be admitted many times in emergency in ICUs because of her illness. So she became like 6 and 7, and we were discussing, me and Nandini, what do we do? Either we shift to India or go somewhere else. So that is the time this came up again in my mind that I should move to some other country, and USA was the number one because it's a land of opportunities. So I contacted my suppliers, and then again, so one of the suppliers said, yes, I will help you and I will get you. And that is the time I came here on 2003 in January.
Okay.
And that is the time I went and saw him. And when I met him, he introduced me to his attorney, and they said that nothing has been done. So once again, another setback, and this guy's done nothing for me. And then that is the time one of my other friends, Vineet Varghese, he introduced me to Suresh Vasu.
Okay.
Through an AOL, Art of Living connection. Suresh Vasu is an excellent person. It's a very, very helpful person. And he knew my story, and he said, yes, I went to his office and he introduced me to his partner, who apparently was an old school friend of mine. I said, oh my God, everything is settled now. Perfect.
Connections.
And they both discussed and we discussed, and I gave him a plan. What will I do if I come here? In US, if you come, you should know how to survive.
Absolutely.
Yeah, fine. And I gave him the plan. He liked the plan. He said, okay, we'll apply a visa for you, H1 visa. Immediately they applied and everything. And within few days, I got my visa.
Wow.
But they said, wait, don't come now. We will
Mhm.
let you know. And this went on for some time, for a year or so. No response from this guy. I think he had cold feet. I was waiting. Finally, again, Suresh Vasu came to the rescue. He introduced me to
India.
another friend of his who was also from Art of Living.
Okay.
And that guy said, "You get me $250,000 business,
Okay.
I'll give you commission." I said, "I don't want commission. Keep
Hmm.
that commission with you.
Hmm.
Get me there. When I come there, give me that money." He said,
Wow.
"Yes, done deal." I gave him the business. This guy also kept on playing. Finally, he was fed up with my pestering, and
Mhm.
he sent me the papers, and I got my visa stamp. And I said, "Oh, finally, I'm
Oh,
coming to US." And I landed in US in 2004, August 31st.
wow.
So next day I was checked into hotel. Next day he came and picked me up. "Okay, let's go to the office." I said, "Wow, it's a
First day.
beautiful office, tower buildings."
Mm-hmm.
I went there. It was a two-story building,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and he was sharing a small office space, one room, with another business, and he had a part-time lady. And I came there. Oh my God! Again, there was nothing there. No business, no business plan,
My God.
nothing.
Oh,
And he did not even pay me my salary for some time.
this is
So I
sad.
said, "Now what?" And that is where I remember Mr. Bachchan,
Hmm.
Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, his father used to tell him, "मन का होगा तो अच्छा, मन का होगा तो अच्छा, नहीं होगा तो और भी अच्छा."
क्या बात?
That
क्या बात?
means, that means if it happens the way you want, it's good.
Hmm.
But if it doesn't happen, it's better.
It's better. Brilliantly said.
Yes. So there again, so I said, I have to survive. What do I do? So I started contacting my Saudi friends and asked them, "What can I do for you? How
Mhm.
can I help you?" And there they came to my rescue again, and they started sending me requests, orders, and slowly, we started building this company.
Wow.
Nothing was there. I started building this company, and by 2008, it reached the peak. At one point, it was $8 million business, from zero to $8 million in 4 years.
Wow.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow. This is commendable.
Company went top, but it did not help me because I was not paid salary on time, not the salary which was promised, no
Mhm.
bonus, no health insurance. In US, without health insurance, you
Very
cannot
important.
survive. You
Yes.
need health insurance.
Mhm.
And Nandini was sick because of her gestational thing which happened after the birth.
Okay.
Vaishnavi just came out of sickness. I had my own set of problems
Problems.
and no health insurance. But still, we said we will go for it. That's how it went. And we finally, I said, enough is enough.
Hmm.
I quit my job. Without even thinking, what do I do next? I said, bas ho gaya.
बस हो गया. क्विट कर दिया जॉब फिर से और एक बार. One more surprise. Just when I think that this whole show, the life journey is going smooth, you give me one more surprise, you give me one more shock. So again, you have quit your job, and this story will continue. But no story can complete without friends. So let me introduce one more special guest on Nukta to New Jersey. So हमारे special guest को लाया जाए.
Hi, it's a pleasure to talk about Manoj Warrior today and recall our wonderful relationship. He's more a family friend to us. And the first thing about Manoj, what I would like people to know is his strong determination, willingness to succeed, and also the curiosity of trying to find out a newer way of doing things. I have known him since almost 20 years and was partly in a small way helped him when he landed up in US, beginning a new life, a new career. Um, I think part of the success and growth of Manoj has been the wonderful family he has, which I want to acknowledge. Nandini has been a wonderful support in all what he does, and I look forward to the next Kerala meal since I'm saying all good things about Manoj. And apart from that, he has a daughter who's far matured beyond her age and is going to be a real contributor to the American medical system. So in terms of Manoj's life, the way he has built it up brick by brick has been a great story for others to know. He had a very modest and humble start, had his own challenges like we all did when we entered the United States. He had to work, try out new ideas, see what will work, and probably his resilience and determination to succeed probably played a great part. To build a worldwide schools supplies business with working with American consulates and education system is not easy. But I had the pleasure of visiting one of the trade exhibitions which Manoj attended, and I could see the networking skills he had in building up his relationship, which has helped him in good stead. Overall, I wish Manoj a very, very wonderful future life, full of growth and prosperity, and also to spread the love and joy of the master he's caring for. So with that, Manoj, I wish you all the best in your life and meet you soon. Bye.
Suresh is, he's my brother whom I missed when I was in the US. Because my actual brother was in
India. Saudi.
Yeah, and Suresh was acting like a brother. And he was the one he is a mentor for me. Every time in my life, even during my struggling days with that company which I was working with, he was the only source of inspiration, always used to guide me.
Wow. He was the
Dr. Suresh Vasu is running a very big chain of kidney care. He reaches out to world over to spread the kidney care facilities.
Brilliant. फ्रेंड की बातें सुन ली, नौकरी आपने छोड़ दिया, you quit your job, but now you were in the US. Then how did this story move further?
So finally, Nandini had to work.
Okay.
And that helped me a little bit. So Nandini was working for a very big company, again, a friend of mine, and they were doing great. So I approached him and he was very happy to hire me. And I started with him as a sales guy, business development. And after a few months, that company also faced a problem. And that company shut down. Slowly it started shutting down, reducing their work.
Sure.
So here I remember my mom saying that you do your half, the divine will do his half.
Wow.
So I said, okay, now what? So then what happens is that then how to keep the family,
happy
in the good spirit.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's important.
What to do? So that's where we said, okay, and New York was closer, New York City. So it was an hour away by train. So we used to go to New York.
Okay.
And while talking about New York, I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
This time it's my surprise. Listen to this song and tell me how you feel.
100%.
There you go.
Okay.
अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ न्यूयॉर्क की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 देखो, एन इवनिंग इन न्यूयॉर्क। अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ न्यूयॉर्क की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 देखो, एन इवनिंग इन न्यूयॉर्क। देखो ये परियों की टोली, मीठी मीठी जिनकी बोली, क्या क्या दिल पर रंग जमाए, जलवों की ये आंख बिचोली। देखो ये परियों की टोली, मीठी मीठी जिनकी बोली, क्या क्या दिल पर रंग जमाए, जलवों की ये आंख में चोली। अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ न्यूयॉर्क की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 देखो, एन इवनिंग इन न्यूयॉर्क।
मनोज भाई, फुल पावर, एन इवनिंग इन न्यूयॉर्क से लेकर एन इवनिंग इन मुंबई से लेकर एन इवनिंग एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, वी ऑल आर एंजॉयिंग दिस। मजा आ रहा है आपकी स्टोरी सुनने में, आपकी कहानी जानने में, और आपकी सिंगिंग। उफ यू माँ, यू आर टू मच मनोज कुमार वॉरियर। लेकिन इस कहानी में आगे क्या हुआ? व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट?
फिर एक ट्विस्ट।
नहीं, ओके, दे दो एक ट्विस्ट।
So I had to quit my job
Okay.
and I don't know what to do. And here comes Mr. Vikas Chawla, very close and very jiggery.
Mm-hmm.
He's known all over as a very genuine person.
Okay.
In Art of Living circles, everyone knows him. And also he's a very professional guy. Works for Morgan Stanley in New York.
Brilliant.
And he was introduced to me by Suresh Vasu in 2003. So I knew him.
Mhm.
And we started a friendship. And that's the time he told me, why don't you start something of your own? I didn't know what to do. And he said, how? I asked him how. And then he explained me and he also helped me initially.
Hmm.
So that's how Omnitrans was born
Wow.
on May 27, 2010 as Nandini Warrior as the president.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
And we started operations from my apartment.
Mhm.
There was nothing there, only name, virtual address, bank account,
Wow.
and work from home.
Then only you were doing work from home. We started it now, you did it then.
So that's how it started. Omnitrans started.
Wow. And Omnitrans started because of Manoj Kumar Warrior's dedication, because of his wife Nandini. But a special friend you mentioned, Mr. Vikas Chawla, जो आपके जिगर का टुकड़ा, जो आपकी मक्खी दी रोटी, आपके सरसों दा साग है. And I will not surprise you anymore, because right now, live, we have Mr. Vikas Chawla with a special message for Mr. Manoj Kumar Warrior.
Jai Gurudev. In Punjabi, if somebody has a very unique personality, we say he has a personality. And personality of Manojji can truly be described as a personality. Somebody who's very unique and special. The first time I met Manojji was at a satsang in New Jersey. He was with Suresh Vasuji. and he definitely left an impression on me. मैंने कहा इस आदमी में कुछ तो बात है. Then he came, moved to New Jersey, where he worked very close professionally and in Art of Living. We were organizing an event and we wanted to invite a special guest. So Manoj ji said, मैं मेयर को लेके आऊँगा. I'll bring the mayor. मैंने कहा मनोज जी, will a mayor come for this event of ours? He said, आप मेरे पे छोड़ दो, मैं मेयर को लेके आऊँगा. And he definitely got the mayor, which surprised me. I had been in this country many years, and I would not even have thought about it. And that's what makes Manoj ji unique. Out of the box thinking and strong confidence, you know. And another thing, we have another saying we have in Punjabi, that बाकी दियां गल्लां छड्डो, दिल साफ होना चाहिए. And that's Manoj ji. Clean hearted person, जो बाहर दिखता है वही अंदर है. That is such a special quality, especially these days. Another thing is that they say that a friend in need is a friend indeed. And that's how I regard Manoj ji. I know if I call him at 2 a.m., he will drop everything and be there for me, which is very difficult to say about many people these days, right? When he initially came to New Jersey, he was working for a startup and he struggled a lot, you know, बहुत घिसे हैं. He paid his dues. And when I saw him struggling, I said, Manoj ji, आप में इतनी काबिलियत है, you're so capable, आप अपना ही क्यों नहीं कुछ शुरू करते? And then he worked hard with his entrepreneurial skills and his confidence and his ability. He has done remarkably well for himself. So I wish Manoj ji continued success in his personal life and professional life. Jai Gurudev.
He is so much of sense of humor he has. And very articulate. He will talk tack.
Point to point with the sense of humor. How was this special message, Manoj?
Oh my God. Oh, this is amazing. This was like outstanding. Roshan, you did not even know what you did for me. These two people, Suresh ji and Vikas ji, they were not only instrumental in my life in US, but how they live their life has become a part of me now.
Okay.
And this trinity cannot be complete without mentioning my very dear brother and friend, Haseeb Bhatt. He was the president of IPCA. He came here in US at the same time I came.
Okay.
And his life he was grandeur lifestyle, full showman, but down to earth and working with everyone. Everyone loved him. He showed me one thing and he taught me one thing. थोड़ा सा भी रहेगा लेकिन जियो एकदम पूरी तरह से.
Full power तरीके से.
Live like king size. And because of him, I started to dream big and to live life like him. He used to travel, business class में travel करेंगे, 5-star hotel में रहेंगे, बहुत full, and you cannot even imagine. And that's what I liked about him, and I picked that up from there. That really you need to live life fully.
Wow.
And I really miss him. And we lost him like 2 years ago.
Okay.
But he and his family, they're all so dear to me. Chanda Ben, aapke liye bhi ye khas.
Yeah.
Chanda Ben is my sister. Niyati and Surit. And all those friends who have helped me so far. I forgot to mention some names which I want to mention here, and then I will dedicate one song for them, for all of them.
Yes.
Let's start with Saudi Arabia, Rajkumar and Vinita, who are in Doha now. Sanjay and Sunita Sadhu, who are in Dubai now. Deepa and Bhaskar Shetty. and Kumar and Pushpa, and Arun and Rekha Datar, and finally Sudesh and Rupa Bitkar, who are in Saudi now. So for all them and all those others, sir, there were so many, but this song is for them.
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना। तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना। याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना। याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। मेरी जिंदगी संवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया पलक पे मुझे खाट पे उठा के। मेरी जिंदगी संवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया पलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना। याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना।
Hi Manoj bhai, what a song you have selected. Wonderfully sung. क्या गाया है यार, मजा आ गया। मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया पलक पे मुझे खाट से उठा के। क्या बात है। Wonderful song, wonderfully sung. Thank you so much for this. And क्योंकि आपने तो प्यार से मेरे लिए गाना गा के सुनाया, जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं उनको गाना गा के सुनाया, तो मैं भी आपके लिए एक शेर अर्ज करना चाहूंगा।
इरशाद।
उम्र और जिंदगी में बस फर्क इतना, उम्र और जिंदगी में बस फर्क इतना, जो दोस्तों बिन बीती वो उम्र, जो दोस्तों बिन बीती वो उम्र, और जो दोस्तों संग गुजरी वो जिंदगी।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, excellent.
Thank you, thank you.
I would like to translate this in English if you
Go for it, Mike. It's all yours.
Lifespan is the one which is spent without friends.
Okay.
The time spent without friends is called lifespan. Time spent with friends is called life. And that is art of living, which we will talk about in the next episode.
Okay. So a lot of surprises in stores, lot of revelation. जो भी होगा धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा। ये था 6th episode of Nukkad to New Jersey. Thank you so much, Manoj Kumar Warrior.
Great. And Jai Gurudev.
जय गुरुदेव। थैंक यू सो मच। टेक केयर। इस दुनिया में ना दो किस्म के लोग होते हैं, एक होते हैं ड्रीमर्स और दूसरे होते हैं अचीवर्स। इफ यू आर एन अचीवर देन आस्क योरसेल्फ दीस टू क्वेश्चंस, आर यू हैप्पी और आर यू एक्सट्रीमली कंफर्टेबल? If your answer lies in the second question, then it's time to shake things up, just like Manoj Kumar Warrior did. As compared to his time in Mumbai, His life in Saudi Arabia was a plush one, but that was not his dream. Nukkad to New Jersey is not just a show, it's a certificate of achievement which the universe conspired to bestow upon him. लाख मुश्किलों का सामना करने के बावजूद ये इतने फुल पावर कैसे हैं, वो हम जानेंगे इस सफर के अगले स्टॉप पे। ओम शांति ओम, जहां पे होगी गुरु स्टोरीज। तब तक के लिए कीप ड्रीमिंग बट डोंट फॉरगेट टू टर्न देम इनटू अ रियलिटी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस ऑन नुक्कड़ टू न्यू जर्सी, एक सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार की म्यूजिकल जर्नी। मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते सेम टाइम सेम पेज। टिल देन दिस इज रोशन शेट्टी साइनिंग ऑफ। पर एंटरटेनमेंट कहीं नहीं जाएगा, आपके घर तक हम पहुंचा रहे हैं। आपको क्या करना है, बस घर पे रहना है। स्टे एट होम, स्टे सेफ एंड यस, स्टे फुल पावर।
And his elder sister Jayanti. Manoj was very naughty during his childhood days. We were enjoying during our childhood days. When Diwali and the Shivaji Jayanti celebrations, we were enjoying there with lots of fun. When I was in Daman, he used to visit me during his business tour, and he loves to eat puttu and Kerala traditional food. He insists me to make it regularly. I hope all are well there. God bless you in all your success, my dear brother. Stay safe and God bless you.